Okay, hey, what's up, Vital? This is Element for All. Lately, there's been a lot of questions on bottom brackets, and probably me, along with a bunch of people, are tired of seeing all of these little threads about bottom brackets. So, I'm just trying to make a video, answer all your questions. If I miss any, tough luck. Okay, so on my bike right now, I have an American bottom bracket. I already have the bearing cups put in. And those was basically just take a block of wood, gently tap them in. So yeah. Okay, some basic tools you're going to need is a block of wood. You don't want to damage the bearings when you're putting them in. Going to need some type of Allen. Got all the little bits there and stuff. Going to need, if you're trying to take them out, you're going to need this to stick inside and pound them out, and a hammer. Okay, so let's get started. On mine right now, the cups are already in, so I need to tap in the bearings, which should be pretty easy. Now, most cranksets will come with a packet of grease, which you really want to use this to get it in, so it helps a lot going in. Just want to get some on there. Then take your fingers, spread it around. Get it all nice, greased up. Oh yeah, you might also want to have some paper towels around. Your fingers are going to get greasy. Okay, so basically just starting off on this. Just got to place that there. Just get it in, just hold it a little bit. Push it in enough with your fingers so it just sticks there. Then you're going to take your hammer and block of wood and just gently start to tap it in. Okay, so you got one side in. It's not all the way in on mine, but just for video purposes, keep it short. Now you're going to want to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, and most cranksets come with the bearing spacer. And since I already had mine in, I found out mine rattles around. So I'm not going to put it in. Just because I already have bearing cup in there, I don't think it's going to affect anything. Don't take my word for it, I'm not an expert. I just really hate rattling on my bike. Other one, put grease. Gonna do the same thing on this side. And before you put this one in, if you're gonna put that bearing spacer in, that's the time to do it. So just want to get that in there with your fingers. Then you start to hammer away. Okay, now that they're all in, you can that's all you really gotta do. Then it's just a matter of sticking your spindle in, right there. Simply go straight in. It'll go in a certain point, then you just gotta tap it through to the other side. Okay, now that you have that in, it's basically just normal assembly of cranks. You guys probably all know how to do that. Simple enough. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you get them out. Because I know there's a couple people saying that, asking how to get them out. All you need to do is take an extender of some type. All you want to do is once you get the spindle out, can use this. Get in there with the spindle and just gently tap that out and through. Shoot straight out. Okay. So now this part. Gonna want, all you have to do, simply just put it in there, get it on an edge of the bearing. If you do it in straight in, it's gonna go straight through. It wiggles in and out. Put it in there, gently tap around as many angles you can get in there, just so you don't hurt the bearing. Okay, and that's basically it. Pretty sure that'll answer any questions. See you later.